The pump very rarely alarms, but it will alarm if there is something stopping it from pumping through the tubing. So if you kink off your line, if your line gets bent over, maybe when you're sleeping or something, you'll get a high pressure alarm. It'll say high pressure. What that means is there is something keeping it from pushing through, okay? It'll beep and it'll beep until you find that problem and resolve it. So when that happens, I want you to follow your tubing from the cassette all the way down, literally with your fingers, to find that kink. As you go through, you're going to make sure your locks are open, because that will do it. And you're going to go right on through until you find that kink. And when you find that kink, you're going to make sure it's straightened out and the beeping will stop. If for some reason the beeping continues and you can't find it, you're going to give Rochester Home Infusion a call and we'll help you with that. Okay?